Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Arpit Sangal. I secured All India rank 53 this year. So I have been given the topic of federalism. With this single topic, I would like to teach how you can study each and every topic. For example, in federalism, first go to the syllabus. What is mentioned in the UPSC syllabus? For example, in the syllabus it is mentioned functions and responsibilities of the union and the states, issues and challenges pertaining to the federal structure. So after going through this, you will understand that what are the demands of the UPSC. After the syllabus, go to the previous year questions of that particular topic that is mentioned in the syllabus. So there you will find that UPSC is specific about certain things, such as it has asked multiple times about Delhi, the issues between Delhi and center, about the unitary features, or what are the challenges that are there in the federal structure of India. So after going to the PYQs, please find a single source, and a single source as a basic source, then add value to that source by using newspapers or mainly Supreme Court judgments or commissions, reports of the commissions. So please fix that source in this case. Now coming back to this particular topic, I think there are certain aspects which you should focus on. Some of these are unitary features, then federal features, then what are the comments that are being given on the type of federalism that India has by famous thinkers such as B.R. Ambedkar or by Supreme Court. And you will find that to study federalism, please divide it into primarily three aspects. One is the legislative aspect, which is a challenge between center and state, primarily related to Schedule 7. Then there is executive powers issue, which is primarily related to governor or all India services, or new issues that are coming up such as extent of power of CBI. Then one of the most important issues that is currently in news is fiscal federalism, wherein you should talk about Niti Aayog, GST and Finance Commission. So this will make your preparation holistic, and please try to follow previous year questions and syllabus in all the topics. It will give you an understanding of what UPSC wants. And all the best, be patient and be persistent. You will get success one day. Thank you.